And guys, ang ating cherry tomatoes ay nag-start na mag-red. Ayan. Probably sooner or later. Before mag-fall season. Maharbisan natin sila guys. So, ayan. Update lang natin sa tala. Green pa rin. Good morning guys! Update natin sa ating kamatis. Ayan, nag-start na sila mag-red. Yay! So, start na sila mag-red. Woo! Our tomatoes. You're ripe. Isa. Soon to be. Soon to be. Soon ulit. Good morning guys. Today is Friday here. And I am going to harvest some cherry tomatoes today. So, samahan nyo ako guys. Harvest na rin natin itong nag-iisa na lang nating bell pepper. Ayan. Good size. Na rin natin itong mga broccoli shoots. Ayan.